Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, you can see we've got new tires for the 70 Chevy truck. I went with some Dick Cepek. I guess these are Trail Country EXPs. I guess they're supposed to be kind of like a what they call a hybrid tire. See the tread. It's you know, not real aggressive. I didn't want to go too aggressive with the truck because I didn't want a rough ride or noisy ride. I just kind of wanted a tire kind of like I run on my 2009. It's you get an aggressive look, but it ain't really that aggressive of a tire. Plus, we don't need to be aggressive because we're not going to be like off-roading with it. Tire size, we went with 33 12.5 by 15s. Went with that size because the truck has what I believe is a 4-inch lift. If it didn't have a lift, I would have went with 32s, but since it's got a lift, I'm going with the 33s just to fill out the fenders and everything. But yeah, these look like really nice tires. It's got white letter on this side, black wall on that side. Undecided on what I want to show. You know, 70s, classic 70s, you'd have the white letter out. Modern, you have the black wall out. So I want to do the white wall, but I don't know if I don't want to get sick of it because it's really hard to change them out. But we'll see. You know, if I want to stay classic to the truck, we got to have the white letter out. Plus, they're Dick Cepek, so that's a classic name too. But we'll see. Gonna get these mounted up on some factory 15 by 8 rally rims. So I'll probably get these mounted up and we'll take a look at the whole package. Okay, so there she is with the tires installed, and I have to say, guys, it looks awesome. So good. Okay, so give you the tire specs on this thing. These are Dick Cepek Trail Country XPs. Got a great deal on them online. That's why I picked them up. It was either these or BFGs. The BFGs were $250 to $300 more. And I'm probably never going to wear these out. They'll probably dry rot. So I figured it's kind of a waste for the extra money. So I went with these, saved a little money. I'm going to put that money somewhere else in the truck. Dick Cepek, classic name, classic 70s truck accessory name. So I'm okay with the Dick Cepek. You can see I went white letters out. Again, classic 70s thing. Normally I do the black letter out. But the whole theme of the truck is kind of 70s, so that's what I did. Tire size is 33 12.5 15s, and I measured these out with them mounted up, aired up. They're not 33s, guys. They're a little smaller than that, but they look awesome. They really fill out. They really fill out the fenders with this, I believe, a 4-inch lift on this truck. I think it's the perfect tire size for it. The wheels are, or the rims are 15 by 8s, the classic rally wheels. They had in the 70s, 73 to into the 80s. I think they use them. They're the wider ones. They have narrow ones. These are the 15x8s. Actually, I got these rims with a truck that I bought, a 79 truck. They were color matched to the truck. They were like a greenish color. So I actually had to sandblast them. I sandblasted them and then painted them with some silver wheel paint. And they turned out pretty good, guys. You know, for not taking, I didn't take a lot of time, but I did clean them up pretty nice. Love it. I don't have the trim rings. I do have trim rings. I'm going to steal off the other rims that were on there. Right now I don't have them on there. I don't want to scratch my paint that I just stuck on there, but probably eventually I'll stick those trim rings on. But yeah, the date code on those rims is 78, I believe, 1978. So they are original OEM rims. I put aluminum rims on that 79 that I had, centerline aluminum rims with, I think I put 33s, and I think I put Dick Cepeks on those too. See if I can't find some pictures of that truck. I didn't quite get the restoration finished and I sold it. It's actually, the truck's still kicking around locally here. So anyway, guys, we got the sun popping out here for the final bit of this video. It's about, you know, all I can think of. I didn't show you me mounting these up on the truck. It's a pretty simple thing. You unbolt the lugs, bolt them on. I did have trouble with that rear. I think maybe the axle might have been replaced or something, because I had a little bit of trouble getting the wheel to slip over that the axle flange for some odd reason. The other side just fell right into place. These center caps, actually I had these center caps. They're brand new. They're not the expensive stainless ones or OEM ones. They are plastic. They'll work for now. Actually had them, they were stored, geez, maybe 15-20 years, I don't know. But I was going to restore these wheels for a different truck that I was working on. Never got to it. So after 15-20 years I finally got something to put them on. But, and then you got to make sure you want to torque. You always torque your wheels, guys. Don't mess around. Get a nice torque wrench. Torque the wheels so they don't fall off on you. 88, I believe 88 foot-pounds. Not a lot for these older trucks. I think they're like 140 foot-pounds now, but back then, 88 foot-pounds. The studs are a little smaller too than the newer trucks. But anyway, I guess that's going to do it for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you.